Hello everyone. This is a demo attempt to show Lidar hardware or Lidar in action. I mean, it's nothing fancy, just something that I picked up on Amazon. This is the actual Lidar unit. It's called Rplidar. Um, what you can see here, it's running. I mean, the actual hardware that comes along with it is this um, the lidar system, which is composed of the PCB, a motor, the actual lidar unit, and you can see it spinning there. Um, the connections from the unit to an adapter. I'm assuming it's like a UART adapter that connect to through some of the COM ports on the PC, and then to a USB to the actual laptop. So what I want to show here is the ease of use of an actual lidar that we can use on different platforms, whether it be like a small drone. I mean, those are fairly common now, or even on cars. Maybe you can place it on there, which is one of the projects that I would like to work on in the future, just to kind of see how it reacts when it's in an actual real world scenario out there while I'm driving, or just want to know how it records and everything. Um, so as far as like plug and play, the actual software that I use is called Slamtech Robo Studio, um, and kind of, I mean, it's fairly simple as I was saying. If I'm going just through with it, I plugged in the lidar. I launched this software. I hit this manual connect to lidar. Not sure how clear it is, but trying to see how the phone actually focuses. And then it brings me to this connect lidar window and shows the COM ports that are available. So I'll click on connect, and then it should start mapping as soon as I hit the play button up here. So click on play there, and you can see, I mean, it's right next to me, right on the laptop here, and it already starts to map out. And depending on what I choose as far as like the range, then it can start to increase the image. There's 6 meters or 10 meters, and you can see how it decreases depending on the range that you select. So I chose 6 as the minimum, since that's the minimum it has to select. And then I'm gonna pick it up just to show how it maps out like the room I'm in. It's a fairly small room, and you can see how it's pretty fast, and I'm just rotating the lidar. I'm kind of doing this on it, but just to show, and at different elevations as well. So I'm going up and down with it, and as I go up and down with it, and even if I start to twist it, it starts to map out the room or different parts of the room. Oh, and you can actually see the actual laser. That's pretty cool. I didn't really notice that in the beginning, but it's fairly fast, fairly simple, and yeah, I just wanted to show the ease of use and how we can just implement it on different platforms. So thank you for your attention on this.